Did you know that people have enjoyed grilled cheese for almost a century? This beloved sandwich has a rich history that dates back to the 1920s, when sliced bread and affordable cheese became widely available. It's true. This simple, comforting dish has been a lunchtime favorite for generations. From school cafeterias to family kitchens, grilled cheese has been a staple in many households. But grilled cheese is more than just a sandwich. It's a culinary icon that has evolved over the years, adapting to different tastes and trends. It's a nostalgic reminder of childhood, a blank canvas for culinary creativity, and a symbol of pure, cheesy bliss. Whether it's a simple slice of American cheese between two pieces of white bread, or a gourmet creation with artisanal cheeses and unique ingredients, grilled cheese has something for everyone. Every year on April 12th, we celebrate National Grilled Cheese Day. It's a day dedicated to honoring this versatile and beloved sandwich. It's a day to appreciate the gooey, cheesy goodness that brings joy to people worldwide. The sight of cheese melting and stretching is enough to make anyone's mouth water. Whether you prefer yours classic or with a gourmet twist, there's a grilled cheese out there for everyone. From traditional recipes to innovative variations, the possibilities are endless. So grab your bread, cheese, and butter. Let's celebrate. Experiment with different types of bread, cheeses, and even add-ins like tomatoes, bacon, or avocado. The beauty of grilled cheese lies in its simplicity and versatility. Enjoy the melted goodness and share the joy with friends and family. While the exact origins of Grilled Cheese Day remain a mystery, its celebration is a testament to the sandwich's enduring appeal. Its roots likely trace back to the 1920s, a time when culinary innovation was on the rise. This era saw the invention of sliced bread and the mass production of processed cheese, two key ingredients that revolutionized home cooking. With these advancements, it became easier than ever to create this beloved sandwich, which quickly became a household favorite. As grilled cheese gained popularity, it naturally evolved into a cultural phenomenon enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. It's a dish that transcends generations and brings people together through a shared love of simple, delicious food. Whether it's a quick lunch or a comforting dinner, grilled cheese has a special place in our hearts. The creation of a national holiday dedicated to this cheesy delight was simply inevitable. Today, Grilled Cheese Day is celebrated with enthusiasm as people come together to honor this timeless classic. Thanks. While the classic grilled cheese holds a special place in our hearts, the possibilities for variations are endless. Get adventurous with different types of bread, such as sourdough, rye, or even croissants. Explore a world of cheese, from sharp cheddar and creamy brie to tangy goat cheese and smoky Gouda. Don't be afraid to add some extra flavor. Caramelized onions, sliced apples, savory meats like bacon or ham. The only limit is your imagination. Grilled cheese is your culinary playground, so have fun and experiment. Section 4. Mastering the melt tips from your kitchen. Creating the perfect grilled cheese is an art form, but anyone can master it with a few simple tips. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these tips will elevate your grilled cheese game to the next level. First, always use medium heat to ensure even cooking and that perfect golden brown crust. Cooking on high heat might burn the bread before the cheese has a chance to melt properly. Second, choose a good melting cheese, like cheddar, which provides a sharp, tangy flavor that melts beautifully. Gruyere, with its nutty and slightly sweet taste, or Monterey Jack, known for its creamy texture and mild flavor, are also excellent choices. Use butter generously on the outside of the bread for a crispy, flavorful crust. Don't rush the process. Let the butter melt and soak into the bread for that perfect crunch. Allow the cheese to melt slowly and evenly for the ultimate gooey texture. Patience is key here. A slow melt ensures that every bite is filled with cheesy goodness. And most importantly, have fun with it. Experiment with different cheeses. Add some extras like tomatoes or bacon and make it your own. Grilled cheese is all about enjoying the process and savoring the delicious results. Share it with friends and family, and make it a memorable experience. Done. Section 5. Celebrate the cheese. National Grilled Cheese Day is the perfect opportunity to indulge in this comforting classic. Gather your loved ones, experiment with new flavor combinations, and create some cheesy masterpieces together. Share your creations with friends and family, and spread the joy of grilled cheese. So, let's raise a toast, or rather, a perfectly toasted sandwich, to National Grilled Cheese Day. May your sandwiches be cheesy, gooey, and filled with delicious